Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning back in. On today's episode, we're going to be learning how to play the G major scale in different positions throughout the neck and ways to help memorize those scale patterns and how to use those when improvising in a key of G or any relevant key that G fits in. So you can know how to improvise over a chord progression in the key of G or a relevant key like this. The first G major scale that I'm going to show you is starting on the low E string 5th fret, and it goes like this. This 3, 5, and then on the A string 2, 3, 5. And then the D string, 2, 4, 5. So it's like this. Once more. The next position that we're going to be learning starts on the D string 5th fret, and then it goes down to the G string 2nd fret, then up to the 4th, and then up to the 5th, and then down on the B string 3rd fret, B string 5th fret, high E string 2nd fret, and then up. The next position that we're going to learn starts on the D string on the 5th fret, and then it moves up to the 2nd or 7th fret, and then on the G string 4th fret, and then up to the 5th fret, then up to the 7th fret, then on the B string 5th fret, and up 7th fret, and then to the 8th. This is how you play the G major scale on the high E string. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. The next place that you can play the G major scale higher up on the neck is starting on the A string, 10th fret, and then dropping down to the D string, 7th fret, then up to the 9th, and then the 10th, and then down on the G string, 7th fret, then up to the 9th fret, then to the 11th, and then on the B string, 8th fret. So it looks like this. The next place that you can play a G major scale on the B and the E string is starting out on the 8th fret on the B string, and then jumping up to the 10th, and then the 12th, and then on high E going back down to the 8th, and then to the 10th, and then to the 12th, and then sliding up to the 14th, and then the 15th. And it's like this. So now I'm going to show you how you can use those notes in just a key G major scale in a chord progression that is relevant to the key of G. Now I'm going to loop a simple chord progression just using the notes B, D, and E, and I'm going to be hitting the A string. So now and then I'll just improvise it. This is the first position. Now we're going to move up to the second place that I showed you, which is here. I'm just going to put them all together. So you get the point. So you can have a lot of fun and sound like you know what's going on, because once you learn those patterns and you're playing in the key of G or any relevant key, you do know what's going on because you know those notes to play. So I'd like to also add that these are just some of the ways that you can play the G major scale throughout the neck. There's many different variations, and these are just, I think, 7 is that I showed you. But you can dig in once you learn those notes and where to play them, and figure out if you want to play the same notes in a different pattern or whatever. It's whatever works for you. It's just about having fun and learning, and then improvising over a chord progression. It's just a lot of fun. It helps build your confidence in your playing. When you practice these scales and you play over a chord progression, you can just have a lot of fun with it. And when you're jamming with friends too, you can incorporate that. You know how to utilize those notes. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And just remember to be kind to others, including yourselves. See you next time. Bye.